Good afternoon, Wild West guitar fans. Here goes a sign of a certain sense of normalcy as we just got delivered 5 Fender custom shop guitars today that me and Glenn are going to open for our open box presentation. We first of all want to thank all the Wild West guitar fans that have been shopping with us throughout the whole course of the year, especially these last several months.
I just got carried away.
Here we're looking at a 62 custom shop Strat reissue in a beautiful turquoise finish. And a little deja vu. Yeah, that'll be a 63. So that'll be what they would call a veneer veneer piece of rosewood on the fretboard. A little bit thinner cut than the last guitar we just saw, which would have been a slab board. This is going to be one of the Telecasters from the custom. Oh, that's very cool. Fiesta red. Telecaster custom. That'll be another slab board. That's a 1960 era. Very cool. Seafoam green. Again, another 1960. So this will be a slab on the rosewood fretboard. First two Stratocasters.
Oh.
But this will be a 61. So again, a slab board, rosewood piece of wood on the fretboard.